This is what I use for strong, shiny, amazing hair. This 4-ingredient hair mask only takes a couple minutes to make and totally transforms my hair. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to turn natural ingredients into natural products. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make a shiny hair mask that's going to leave your hair feeling stronger, smoother, and super shiny. Turn off distractions, making and sealing. Let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it so easy to create your own natural products. And that's why we have a DIY hair care box that will give you key ingredients for this recipe delivered right to your door. You can also find these ingredients on our website. Our DIY kits have a new theme each month, and when you subscribe, we'll throw in a big bonus box. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY hair care box. Here's what you'll need. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of Simply Earth's new carrier oil, argan oil, 6 drops of Happy Joy. This is Simply Earth's essential oil blend that's going to make your hair smell so good, and it's really uplifting as well. And from your home, you are going to want an egg, and it's best if this is at room temperature because it will mix with our ingredients better. Let's make it. First, we're going to whisk this egg, and then we'll set it aside to use later. The reason we're using an egg is because eggs have this fatty yolk, which is super moisturizing to our hair, and it also is filled with protein. And your hair is mostly made up of protein, so the protein in the egg can help smooth and replenish our hair. Beating this egg beforehand is just going to make it easier to mix in with our ingredients. And I will set it aside until we need it. Next, we're going to mix together our essential oils and carrier oil. So I'm adding a tablespoon of coconut oil, which is moisturizing for our hair and helps tame frizz. Next, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of argan oil, which is lightweight and nourishing to our hair. I love using this carrier oil in my hair. It makes my hair feel so strong and healthy. Next, I'm gonna add 6 drops of Happy Joy. I'm adding this essential oil for the smell. It's really uplifting and it's gonna make my hair smell really good. The oils in it are also beneficial to the scalp. They'll help cleanse the scalp so that where your hair grows can be healthy, so your hair can be healthy. Now I'm gonna mix these together, and I want this coconut oil to be a spreadable consistency. Where we're filming this is quite warm right now, and so that coconut oil is mixing in really well. But if it's colder where you live, that coconut oil is going to be harder, and you might have to stir it a little bit longer than I am to get it to this loose consistency. So now I'm going to add my egg to this mixture. It's not going to combine perfectly with the oils that we just mixed together, which is fine. We just need it to combine enough so that we can add it to our hair nicely. Once you have something like this, you can add it to your hair. If you have very thick hair, you might want to section your hair into different sections. I have very thin hair, and so I will easily be able to apply this to my whole head. This mixture does not store well. You'll want to make it and use it on your hair right away. Let's test it out. To use this shiny hair mask, first brush your hair and put a towel around your shoulders to catch any drips, then apply it to your whole head. And if you have a shower cap or something like that, you can put that on to help lock in the mask. We recommend leaving it in for about an hour, but you can do more or less depending on what you have time for. And then follow up with your normal hair routine, being sure to wash this mask out with some shampoo, and then follow up with conditioner and whatever else you normally do for your hair. You're gonna love how soft, shiny, and strong your hair is after using this hair mask. I love to see your creations, so be sure to take a picture of a before and after hair transformation using this mask. And use hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you'll automatically be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. You can learn more about this recipe in the blog post in this description. Give this video a like and be sure to click follow for more natural recipes just like this.